motor you tell me about?
That's the exhaust leak. If you listen real carefully, you hear the man with a little wooden hammer down the bottom end. Now I got exhaust leak on both sides. I got to pull it back loose.
Those are the days where you can watch your car rock back and forth.